Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean your engine bay. So we got a car here which has a dirty engine, so we'll try to clean this out and I'll show you how do I clean it. So I hope you like this video and let's go. So here we go. The things you need to complete this job is, of course, pair of gloves and some detergent and a sponge and this old used toothbrush. You can like use it in the very corners that are hard to reach, and engine degreaser. So any kind of a degreaser will work. So just apply your car shampoo with this sponge. First of all, I would like to do it to this engine cover here. So once we're done with this, we need to remove this and then go underneath the engine. Yeah, just simple wipe and clean, rub everything, and just wash it with the So after that, you just pull this stuff out. Okay. So as you can see, this part, it has some oil over there, especially when you do like oil changes and you spill some oil over this area, so it gets stuck and the dirt will stick into it. So for this area, we'll try to do it with the regular car shampoo and wipe it with the sponge, but if still it won't come off, then we'll just use our engine degreaser. Okay.